Ever notice how some people just pull you in, like you want to be around them, but you can't quite figure out why? Spoiler. It's not because they're chatterboxes or the life of the party. Today, I'm spilling the tea on 5 underrated traits that make you magnetic, without forcing you to fake a smile through painful small talk. As someone who'd rather listen than ask, "So how's the weather?" I've tested these myself and they're gold. We're talking quiet, effortless vibes that make people notice you for the right reasons. Stick around to the end for my favorite. It's so subtle, you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. New here? Hit subscribe so we can keep piquing your interest together. Let's get into it. First up, the pause power. You know those people who rush to fill every silence? Magnetic people don't. They pause, on purpose. I used to babble to avoid awkward gaps, but then I tried this. Next time someone asks you something, take a beat before answering, like 2 seconds. Sounds simple, but it's wild how it shifts the vibe. A study from the Journal of Personality found pausing signals confidence and makes others lean in. They're waiting for what you'll say next. Last week, a friend asked what I thought of a movie, and I just paused, looked at her, then answered. She said, "Wow, you really think things through." Nope, I just faked it. Try it. No small talk, just presence. Works every time. Trait 2. The listener's edge. Talking less can make you more magnetic. Crazy, right? But here's the trick. Really listen. Not the cool fake stuff. Actually hear what's said, then respond with something short but sharp. Like last week, my coworker vented about stress, and I just said, "That sounds brutal. What's the worst part?" She lit up, kept going, and later said, "I get her." Studies, like one from Harvard, say active listening builds trust fast. No chit-chat needed. You don't have to fix anything, just show you're in it with them. Next convo, try it. Less words, more ears. It's quiet power. Number 3. The own your weird vibe. Magnetic people don't hide their quirks. They lean into them. I used to stress about fitting in, but then I started owning stuff like my obsession with organizing playlists by mood. At a coffee shop, I told a barista about it, thought she'd judge me, but she laughed and said, "That's so cool, I'd listen to that." Research from Social Psychology Quarterly says authenticity draws people in way more than perfection. You don't need to overshare, just don't fake normal. Wear that weird shirt, mention your niche hobby. It's a filter. The right people stick around, no small talk required. What's your weird thing? Trait 4. The half-smile mystery. Forget grinning like a game show host. Magnetic people rock this quiet, knowing half-smile. It's not forced, just a little lift at the corner of your mouth like you're in on a secret. I started doing this at a party. Hated being there, honestly. And someone came up like, "You look so chill, what's your deal?" It's disarming. Science says micro-expressions like this signal warmth without overdoing it. Way better than asking about someone's weekend. Pair it with eye contact, and boom, you're intriguing without saying much. Practice in the mirror. It's less, "Hi, I'm creepy," and more, "Hi, I'm quietly fascinating." Here's the 5th trait, and this one is my favorite. The exit grace. Magnetic people don't linger. They leave you wanting more. I used to drag out goodbyes afraid of seeming rude, but now I dip out clean. At a hangout, I'll say, "This was fun, catch you later," and bounce. No long excuses. It's not cold, it's confident. A Psychology Today piece says ending on a high note makes people remember you positively. They're left curious. Last time I did this, a friend texted me after, "You're so mysterious." Nope, just tired. Try it. Short, smooth, gone. You'll feel like a rock star. No small talk marathon required. There you have it. 5 underrated traits that make you magnetic. No small talk required. My fave's that exit grace. It's so slick, you'll love it. Which one's your pick? Drop it in the comments. I'm reading every one. If this piqued your interest, smash that like button and subscribe if you're new. We've got more quirky goodness coming. Check out my video on attractiveness hacks right here for more vibes like this. Thanks for hanging out. Go be magnetic out there. See you in the next one.